Welcome RM Touch CCNA Practical Labs. In our previous lesson, we learned how to make configuration standard access control lists. But in this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration extended access control lists. Extended access control lists are a feature used in networking, particularly in routers and firewalls, to manage and filter traffic based on more granular criteria than the standard access control list. Standard access control lists are a powerful tool for a network security and traffic management, enabling administrators to enforce policies and protect network assets effectively. As you see in our topology, consists of these two departments, and this department is of DHCP server. In our main point is sales departments can access DHCP server, and we are going to deny finance departments can enter or can access the DHCP server using extended access control lists. As you see in here, these two departments, sales department and finance departments, they are the same IP addresses, and they are using this IP address. So to start in our configuration, click this router and select CLI. No, enable config. Let me check the interface that I am going to make configuration. Interface gigabyte 0/0 and IP address 192.168.20.1 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface gigabyte 01 and we will assign this IP address 20.20.20.1 interface gigabyte 01 IP address 20.20.20.1 255.25 sorry 255.0.0.0 and no shutdown. Okay, come this PC how to assign IP address, and we will assign this IP address 20.192.168.20.10 192.168.20.10 and it is default gateway is 20.1. Come this another PC and we will assign 20.20 20.20 and it is default gateway is at 20.1. Come this another department, finance department PC, and we will give at 20.80 and it is default gate is at 20.1. Come this another PC and we will give 20.40 because they are a same IP address and it is default gateway is 20.1. Okay, come this server DHCP server and we will give a 20.20.20.20 and it is default gateway is 20.1. Come this another server 20.10 and it is default gateway is 20.1 20.1. Okay, now we finish for the configuring IP addresses to the routers and hosts, and in our next step we will try to ping the root servers from the sales department and finance department to the DHCP server. So click this PC and select the CMD ping 20.20.20.20. As you see in here, in our sales department, can ping a DHCP server. Okay, come this another PC ping 20.20.20.20, and also this another PC can ping. Okay, let's go this another department, finance department is can ping the DHCP server or not. Okay, ping 20.20.20.20, as you see in here, and also the finance department can ping the DHCP server. Okay, in our next step is to configure extended access control list to only permit the two BC for the sales departments. And we are going to deny finance departments to these two BC finance departments. So can access the DHCP server. So we are going to use extended access control list. Okay, exit access list 120 permit IP. We are going to allow this IP address can reach this DHCP server. Okay, IP address 192.168.20.10, and this subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. This one is the destination IP address, and it is the IP address of this PC. So in our next step is the yes, okay, 20.20.20.20, and it is the IP address of the DHCP server, and it is subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. As you see in here, 192.168.20.10, it is the IP address of this PC, and it is the destination IP address. And this next IP address is a 20.20.20.20, and it is the source IP. Yes, it is the sorry, 192.168.20.10 is the source IP address, and 20.20.20.20 it is the IP address of the DHCP server, and it is the destination IP address. Okay, enter. Now we allow can access the DHCP server only this PC. Okay, come this another PC access list 120 permit IP 192.168.20.20, and it is subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and it is destination IP address is at 20.20.20.20, and it is subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Okay, and then access list 120 deny, and we are going to deny all the another ones. Deny any, deny IP any, access list 120 deny IP any. Okay, and we are going to assign this IP address, or to implement this IP address interface gigabyte 0/0, or to combine this IP address. Click this PC and then exit config interface gigabyte 0/0 IP access group 120 in, and then okay, and then do right. Okay, now we will test if this PC, we will try to again to ping the servers from the sales departments to finance departments. In our first step, when we are pinging, it was okay, but we now testing. So click this PC sales department, and we are going to ping the IP address of DHCP server. As you see in here, that PC in sales department can ping the DHCP server. Okay, come this another PC can ping the DHCP server, ping 20.20.20.20, and also this another sales department can ping the DHCP server. Okay, come this another finance PC, ping 20.20.20.20. As you see in here, the destination host is unreachable because we deny. So come this another BC, Bing 20.20.20.20. Yes, the destination host is unreachable because we deny. We allow only sales departments can ping the DHCP server, and we deny the finance department cannot reach or cannot ping the DHCP server. So thank you very much, and we will see you in the next class. And please share and subscribe.